Well, where will it be in 5 years? I hope that every single student who graduates from this high school in the state of California has taken more than one ethnic studies course, and that it is instituted and becomes a central part of the curriculum in K-12 education. That's my hope. My worry, having seen where it has, how it evolved since the struggles of the 1970s when we first began to ask for ethnic studies as a central part of the curriculum, is that it becomes marginalized and that it becomes a course, one course in a myriad of electives that students have an option to take, which defeats the purpose. So I think a lot of it is going to depend on how we roll this out. The first part is getting the resolution passed. The second part is taking an incremental, systematic approach to how we make sure that it becomes central to the curriculum. And that's going to mean that we bring the voices to the table who develop the curriculum, that we ensure that we have a pathway in ethnic studies to teacher preparation, which means a major in an ethnic studies discipline and a credential that prepares them to teach. That in the schools where we now institute ethnic studies, that we provide serious professional development, in-depth professional development to teachers who wish to teach this. I don't think it's going to go away. I mean, I get a sense from those folks who are fighting for ethnic studies that they're not going to stop in California, and I'm hoping they don't. It's taking off, and so in 5 years, I would expect that we move beyond ethnic studies, but that our students have the choice of taking multiple individualized ethnic studies course, that I can take an Asian studies literature course, that I can take a Chicano studies history course, that I can take an indigenous studies environmental justice course, and that every single course that I take within the curriculum has a multiculturalism embedded in that class, and that in addition to a multicultural curriculum that I receive in every single course, that I still have the option of taking an ethnic studies course.